Hello, everyone, and welcome to Catch the Turn chat room. Today is Tuesday, August 27th, and so here we have our currencies right now. And as we're looking through them tonight, the Aussie dollar has been going short on the 30-minute for quite some time now. Actually went short, throughout the Asian session. So we're looking for this one to possibly, turn around and reverse and start going long. Same thing with the pound dollar. It's been going short throughout the Asian session. So, we'll see if we can get maybe a long, and that way we can get into these trades. And the U.S. CAD, has been going, long in the 30-minute. So we'll be looking maybe for a reversal here, with going short, as the 4 hour is also short, as you guys can tell here from the background. Of the orange background here in the chart. The USD has just been ranging basically after the U.S. market in the morning. So we're possibly looking for this one to either sell off a bit, or finally get over that 134 and then shoot and go towards that 134.50 tonight. The dollar yen has right now it's long, but it's ranging. Cobra's registering as a short, but right now it's just ranging. So the price, there's not a lot of price action right now. The euro yen, same thing. This one, Cobra right now is also registering for its feet, as a long, but there isn't a lot of price action. So we'll see, in the next couple of hours, see what kind of movement we get. Out of this chart, I would expect, some movement to the downside. As you guys can tell, it's already it's already overbought here, as it's at the top of the ocean, and then the ocean's also pointing down, and the 4 hours also short, as you guys can tell here from this from the orange background. The U.S. Swiss also is short, so it's actually setting up pretty nice here. If we can if it can start going short, we have a lot of room to the downside. And then the Aussie yen, will most likely follow the dollar and euro yen pairs. So we'll see. Most likely this one, will either go long. I expect these to go long tonight, just because last night, they put on a clinic, to the short side. So they sold off. They sold off quite a lot. So we'll see if maybe we get a relief bounce throughout the European session. And then, probably the U.S. session will, finally get that follow-through back short. So, that's kind of where we're expecting for tonight. So as you guys can tell here, we got into this trade here 4 minutes ago here at 10 at 97.32, and we're up 7 pips. So, let's see if we can get, if I can get those 10, we could actually, we can take them. No shame in that, you guys. The market hasn't even opened, so I'm trying to move this. This order down, but can't seem to move it. So let me hold it down. 32. There we go. So if I get those 10 pips, you guys, nice, Larry. So it looks like you got 10 pips here on the euro yen. So yeah, if we can get 10 pips, you guys. I want you guys to keep in mind the market hasn't even opened, so the market is not running. And we only need 30 pips for the night. So if we get 10 here, that means we only have to get 20 more in another currency. This this Aussie dollar looks like it's starting to set up as well. So that's just something just want you guys to see that if you follow the system, you let it do what it's going to do, it's going to get you your pips. So just so you guys keep that in mind. So hopefully this thing can give me those 10 pips. So as you guys can see, we're up about 8 pips here. Seeing as the market is open, I want to let this one go a bit and see if we can get some more pips out of it. More than 10. by any means, I mean, if you guys are comfortable, with 10 pips, then, please, feel free to take the profit. Right now 42 was the high, before the market opened. So if we can get a move here to at least 97.50, that would definitely be it'd be a good place to take some profit. But if it can't break high a day, then we definitely would have to take profit here. Because this is going to be the second time that it's going to test this move here. So I'm actually looking here at the 1 minute. So I'm trying to set here, but if we're going to get a move here above 42. So let's see if we can get a move here. I'm going to actually take some profit here because just from the price action, um, it doesn't seem like it wants to push here to this 97 area. So I'm trying to give it some time, but definitely would not want to hold it all the way back for the pullback. If it does pull back. So let's see if we can get just a couple more pips out of this one, and then we'll see if we'll be able to get the pips that we need from from another currency. So let's see. Okay, so I'm actually going to take profit here just because just 97.50 area, they usually always pull back. So just so you guys keep that in mind. So let's see if we can get, there we go. Now we're starting to get some push here. But just keep in mind, you guys, that if it can't break this 97.50 area, it will pull back. So I just want you guys to keep that in mind. There you go. So here it's testing the area here. If it can break it, that'd be great. If it can't, then we'll have to take our pips here. So let's see here. Okay. There's that's a second attempt here to break 97.50. There we go. There's 51. Huh? Alright guys, so I'm actually going to take some profit here at 97.50 on this the third attempt here. So let's see if the third time's a charm. If not, then they'll pull back. So this is where we're going to take some profit, you guys, at 97.48.
Order filled.
Alright, you guys. So we took some profit there. If it goes, it goes. But we're gonna look for some other trades here. So let me actually turn this back on. Strategies. But usually, at these 97.50 areas, they will pull back. So, if you guys are still in it, then, I think that's great. But how you guys doing? Are you guys still in the trade, or did you guys decide to take a profit there at that 97.50 area? We're gonna call it a night, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow here, at the same time, 10 p.m. so we can continue, our trading. So, have a good night, you guys, and take it easy. And hopefully, you guys were in this dollar yen trade, and we're able to make some pips off of it. So, have a good night, guys.